Imagine harvesting a bountiful supply of sweet potatoes all year long, with minimal effort and maximum results. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around because today, I'll reveal the secrets to growing sweet potatoes year-round, ensuring your garden is always thriving with these delicious and nutritious tubers. The key to a successful sweet potato harvest starts with the slips. These are young shoots grown from mature sweet potatoes. You can easily grow your own slips at home by placing a sweet potato in a jar of water, half submerged, and waiting for it to sprout. Once the slips are about 6 inches long, they're ready for planting. Sweet potatoes love loose, well-draining soil. To ensure optimal growth, mix sand or compost into your garden bed. Sweet potatoes grow best in slightly acidic to neutral soil, with a pH between 5.5 and 7. For year-round planting, raised beds or large containers are excellent options, especially in cooler climates. When planting your slips, space them about 12 inches apart to give the vines plenty of room to spread. Bury the stem up to the first set of leaves, as this encourages root growth. Sweet potatoes thrive in warm weather, so plant them in full sun for at least 6 to 8 hours daily. Mulching is one of the easiest ways to keep your sweet potato plants happy. It retains moisture, suppresses weeds, and maintains soil temperature. Straw, wood chips, or even dried leaves make excellent mulch options. If you want to grow sweet potatoes year-round, containers are a game changer. Choose a container at least 18 inches deep and wide, fill it with nutrient-rich soil, and place it in a sunny spot. Indoors, sweet potatoes can thrive with grow lights to supplement sunlight. Consistency is key when it comes to watering. Sweet potatoes need about an inch of water per week. Avoid overwatering, as soggy soil can lead to rot. Reduce watering as the plants near harvest to concentrate the sweetness in the tubers. While sweet potatoes are resilient, pests like weevils or aphids can cause problems. Use row covers or natural repellents like neem oil to protect your plants. And, here's a tip. Inspect your plants weekly to catch pest problems early. Sweet potatoes are ready to harvest about 90 to 120 days after planting. The vines will start to yellow, signaling it's time. Be gentle when digging to avoid damaging the tubers. And there you have it. Growing sweet potatoes year-round is easier than you think with the right methods and a little patience. Whether in your garden or a container, these tips will help you achieve big, flavorful harvests every time. Sweet potatoes aren't just a garden staple, they're a kitchen delight. From pies to fries, the possibilities are endless. Let us know in the comments your favorite sweet potato recipe, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening secrets.